What's up, you guys? Welcome back to today's video. It is time for our monthly unboxings, which means we get to start with Boxycharm, which I'm super excited about to share with you guys because it is the month of April. Yes, April. If you guys are returning subscribers, then you guys know here on my channel we do 2 unboxings. We do the regular as well as my premium. But if you guys are new, I do these every month as well as some other unboxings here on my channel. So before we get into it, I hope you guys will hit that subscribe button as well as give this video a thumbs up. That lets me know you guys really like these unboxings, and let's get to this. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the regular box. Let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, I see candy. I'm a huge fan of candy. Like, I'm not a huge sweets fan, I guess I should say, like not pies or cakes or anything like that, but I have such a I can't say no to candy. My mouth is like watering, especially these like candy necklaces. Ooh, I see Smarties in here. You're either a fan of Smarties or you're not. Smarties are actually one of my favorites, as well as, what is it? Oh, why am I going blank right now? Sweet Tarts, chewy Sweet Tarts. That's my jam, and bubblegum, which I see bubblegum in here. Very first thing I see is a little box here. Ooh, a Natasha Denona palette. Oh, those are some interesting colors. This is the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette. It comes with 5 shades. That black, is that a black or a navy shade? Whatever it is, it's throwing me off. I actually am wearing the Safari palette today. I pulled her out because I was like, I need to play with a little Natasha Denona today. Here you have the 5 swatches. That dark shadow, I thought that was a black. That is a really deep navy. Vintage Taupe Intense, Limoncello, Enigma, and Mint Frost. It is dark though, but like I think that's what the color is that's throwing me off, right? Because if it went like this, it would just be like, oh, so Easter-like and soft, and it's like, bam! I don't know that I would wear these colors like paired together really, but I don't know. I have to figure out how I would make a look like that. But no, can't complain. It's Natasha Denona, so I'm very excited about that. The next thing I have here looks like Laura Geller. Yes. This is the Laura Geller Iconic Baked Sculpting Stick in Battery Park Bronze. I'm sure it's not lipstick. All right, there you have it. Oh, no, it's a lipstick. Why did I think it was a bronzer? Okay, now I feel a little bit better. I'm still really sparkly, but it's pretty. All right, there you have it. But I actually think this would be pretty like in the center of a lip, like just like a nice lipstick, and then just pair it with the center of a lip. It's not lip. It's not going to be too glossy. There is quite a bit of sparkle in that, so I wonder how that will wear throughout the day. Sometimes with like sparkly lipsticks, I get like really nervous because throughout the day you'll be like eating and stuff, and I feel like those lips, those like sparkles in the lipstick will transfer, and then they kind of get like all around your lip. Does that make sense? I always have that issue with lipstick. So the next thing I see here is the Dragon Beauty. This is the Dragonfire Color Corrector. So I actually do own this product already. I am on their PR list, so I do get quite a bit of their stuff. But I have used this, and I have used this in videos and like trying new makeup and stuff. I do not, I don't, I guess I should say condone, or I don't approve of the fact that I never see her wearing a mask, and that really bothers me. And the other thing is just, it seems like lately so many of these influencers are so freaking problematic. It's just ridiculous. But that's the reason why you guys don't see these products on my brand. But there are, that's the bad part about her and the brand, because there are really good gems in her products. Like, I personally really love her lip liners, and I wish that she would realize that it's like a reflection. Her reflection goes off on her brand, and then the support is not there for the brand's products. So yeah, that's all I'm going to say about that. But yeah, anyways, color corrector, that's what I got. Lavender, we'll move on. Next thing I see is by Earth Harbor, and this is called Aurora, and this is Superfood Luminance Ample. I have so many serums that I am using right now that I'm probably not going to use this at the moment because I have so many other serums that I've received in the last couple of boxes. I will get to this. It might not be right now, but I'll definitely give it a shot. The last thing I have in here is called T to M, Terre de Mars. I hope I said that right. It's a Radition Body Cleanser. Ooh. That smells so good. Like, I don't know, when I first smell it, I smell a fancy house. Like a bougie, clean house. That's what I think of. So there you have it. So that is everything I got in this box. There are 5 products. So the Natasha Denona retails for $48. The serum retails for $32. The corrector retails for $25. The lipstick retails for $21. And then the body cleanser retails for $22. So that is what I got in my base box. Let's move into our premium. So here's the premium box. Here you have it. And I already see some, it looks like some perfume. The first thing I see in here, it says, feeling vibrations. Oh, it's a lip gloss. No, is it roller gloss? 2 crystal ball lip glosses infused with real crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up the chakras. Oh, totally getting like my childhood vibes with these roller balls. You know when you went to like those stores that kind of sold random stuff, but they always sold those roller balls? There you have it. So those are the roller balls. Well, they're kind of cool. I gotta open them and smell them at least. So that one's the purple. I don't smell anything. It does feel cooling though. I don't know. We'll try it. So we have this little thing. This is a reusable bamboo cotton makeup removable pads. Oh, I like this. And I think this is what you would use to like throw in and then you just wash it. But that's what they look like. And you get a set of 4 pads it says. And this is by the brand Nature, Luxe and Willow. Reusable bamboo makeup removal pads. So very cool. So next up we have is by NARS. This is a blush in the shade Gaiety. I should know how to say that, and I don't. Please, please not be a cream blush. It doesn't say it's a cream blush. That is bright. Look at how bright this is. The camera's obviously not gonna show you just how bright this is, but this is like bright pink, like bubblegum pink. I mean, I'm gonna definitely use it. I'm gonna try it. I like NARS blushes. NARS has some great blushes. They're long wearing, they're pigmented. Would this be the blush that I would pick out for myself? Absolutely not. But we're gonna give it a shot anyways. All right, so next thing I have is by Dose of Colors. This is an eyeliner in Maybe Baby. It kind of looks like what do they call them? Those like pens for your iPads. I don't know what they call them, eye pen, I assume. Oh, it's like an olive green. Oh, I love it. Wonder how that's gonna look on the inside on like the waterline. Oh, this is beautiful. And then the last thing I have here is a palette, and I assume it's by Iconic because I remember getting something like this. I already got something like this a while ago. It was an eyeshadow palette, and spoiler alert, I was very disappointed in it. I mean, the colors are beautiful, okay? The colors are beautiful. Very much of the summer palette. I'm nervous. I'm so nervous because the last palette I had, here was the problem. They swatched beautifully, but then we went in and like tried to use them and stuff, and it was a mess. Look at how beautiful these tones are. So the other palette, do you guys remember the other palette was like, I think it was a little bit more cooler tone. I've set my expectations to like this level because the first palette I got from that brand, from Iconic London, I was just disappointed. And I've heard so many great things about this brand. And lastly, we have by Fenty Beauty. We've actually gotten quite a few Fenty products here in the last couple of boxes. My last box that I got the foundation. So I'm actually impressed. And then we've gotten like eyeshadow palettes. We've gotten, right? And we got like a lip gloss. I got a lip gloss. And what else did I get? Some cheek products. I've gotten some other stuff by Fenty, but my collection's been building since I've had since Fenty's been in these boxes. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer, and this is in Soft Matte. And I already actually do own this primer. This was definitely a primer when I had it that I was not a fan of it at first. I did not find this to be useful at all for me at the time. But as the year wore on and I wore it through different seasons, I found that this was really great for me when my skin wasn't super oily. Definitely a lot of trial and error with this primer, but overall, I would say that this was a good primer when I figured out how I liked it for my skin. So there you have it. Pretty damn good box, I would say. We've got the Iconic London palette, which retailed for $62. The NARS blush was $30. The primer is $32 from Fenty. The Crystal Ball Roller Gloss was $24. The reusable pads are $20 and the eyeliner is $15. This eyeliner, I first saw it like on the outside. I'm like, I don't know how I feel about it, but I'm excited. I'm very excited to use this eyeliner. So that is everything that we got with these 2 boxes. Definitely good boxes. I definitely am going to say that the premium, of course, wins over the base box, but it's hard because the base box had Natosha Denona in it, but the palette just looks a little bit difficult. I don't know how I'm gonna use it, but I'll figure it out. Thank you for hanging out in today's video. I will see you guys later. I'm gonna go ahead and play with some of these things. If you are new to my channel and you're not subscribed, I hope you will take that time to hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you again for watching today's video, and I'll see you later. Bye.